Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today's video has been highly requested, guys, so we are going to show you how we make some tasty jerk sauce. So we're going to get straight into the video with the ingredients we're using today. We have some sugar, black pepper, Maggi all-purpose, Aromat seasoning, some regular all-purpose, and some pimento seeds. We also have some ketchup, vinegar, barbecue sauce, and some honey. We have a oxo cube, thyme, spring onion, bell peppers, ginger, a scotch bonnet, garlic, and onion, jerk paste, and some barbecue jerk sauce. So to begin, I washed my vegetables before chopping them to go into the blender. If you watched our jerk chicken video, you will see that I blended my vegetables with the seasonings in the same way that I'm going to in this video, which I used to make the marinade for the jerk chicken. Usually I would just use this marinade for the chicken in the jerk sauce. So if you are making jerk chicken, you won't have to blend twice. You can use the blended seasoning you have already. Once all the vegetables are in the blender, I'm going to add my vinegar and a little water and begin blending before adding my seasonings. I part blended my vegetables for about a minute and then went on to add my pimento seeds, my Maggi all-purpose, my Aromat seasoning, some sugar, regular all-purpose, and then some black pepper. I added a tablespoon of jerk paste and my vegetable oxo, and then continue to blend my seasoning for another minute. Guys, my big blender isn't working, but if you have a bigger blender, you can put everything in at once and blend them together for around 2 minutes. So to begin cooking our sauce, I added the blended seasoning to a pot. Not nowhere around here. So we added a little water to the cup and gave it a swirl and then added it to the pot. I went ahead and added another 100 ml of water. This will help the seasoning to boil out whilst cooking. After about 15 minutes, I came back to my pot and it's time to add our ketchup, some honey, barbecue sauce, and our jerk barbecue sauce. So at this point everything is in, but after I tasted, I felt it needed a little more seasoning. So I added some all-purpose and some Aromat seasoning and then went in with a knob of butter. At this point, you can just season to taste. Last thing I added to thicken up the sauce was about a teaspoon of gravy granules. The gravy granules are optional, by the way. I just wanted the sauce a little bit thicker. And I let that cook out for another 4 to 5 minutes. Then our sauce was done. Guys, this sauce isn't only to go over your jerk chicken. You can put a few spoons in your homemade gravy to give it a nice extra flavor. My niece made some chicken wraps. She fried off her chicken and cooked it down in the sauce, and they were so nice. Honestly, there is so much you can do with this jerk sauce. Let us know what you think of this recipe in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more videos from Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine.